We're Minnesota Implement, Cokerts Iron and Steel. This is our Buckthorn puller. This unit here is intended for use on a John Deere with the hook latch mount system. So as you can see, it's got the hooks and the pins on it. This is a dual mount unit actually, so it's got the pins inside of here for the 3-point mount as well. On a lot of our units, we can build them for multiple mounts. On the John Deere, we can actually put another set of pins on the bottom down here for the larger style. This one is the smaller faceplate for the 300 series and smaller. So the pin from the top of the pin here to the inside of the hook is about 14 3/8 inches. We can also make it for the 16 5/8 for the larger faceplate. But as I said, this is a dual mount unit, so it's set up for going on both the front and the rear of the tractor using the 3-point mount. Now, the only downside of making a dual mount setup like that is we have to move the faceplate out from the rails a little bit in order to allow for those pins to fit in there. But other than that, it moves the jaws 2 inches further from the faceplate. But other than that, it's the same unit that we build for when they're just built single mount for on the front of a machine. As I stated, this one is for use on a John Deere. Our normal product line is for use on skid steer with the universal quick attach plate. We can also build for the Euro mount John Deere and ASV, Mustang, a whole lot of the other oddballs, the old New Holland hook latch system as well. We've got jigs for a lot of them. If we don't have a jig, you can always bring us your bucket or forks and we can duplicate the faceplate. So that's the advantage of being a smaller shop, is we can do the custom work. But I just figured I'd shoot a video real quick of this unit before it gets palletized and sent out. This unit was ordered without lines and couplers, so if you order a unit without the lines and couplers on it, this is how it will come. It has the fitting in the top of the cylinder there to clear the carriage, and then we include the bushing with it. So this will be set up for 3/8 national pipe hoses to go right on there for the customer to take care of the hoses. If you order the hoses from us, it will come with the hoses with a protective sleeve over them and with the couplers on it. So as you can see, that's how she sits on the storage feet. The feet on the unit are just for storage. You take those off before using it. But on utility tractors, we try to build the unit based off of our heavy duty product rather than our standard duty. The main reason for that is this protective bridge in front of the cylinder. When you're on a skid steer, you're in line of sight of the jaw at all times. So the chance of running into something is pretty minimal. But when you're on a utility tractor, because you're steering rather than skidding side to side, the likelihood of bumping a tree with the cylinder is fairly high. So we like to do the units for utility tractors based off of the heavy duty unit so that they've got this bridge protecting the cylinder. So that's a few of the features of our unit for utility tractors. Feel free to look at our other products on our website, minnesotaimplement.com, and thanks for watching.